Hello everyone, my name is Jorge Perez, and today I'll be presenting about SimilarWeb, the web analytics tool that I chose to do. For the logo picture, here's the logo picture. When it comes to the launch date / year, this company was founded in 2007 in Tel Aviv, Israel. The initial public offering was on NYSE in May of 2021. When it comes to its target market and industry focus, um, here we see that the target market is more for marketing, competitive intelligence, and web analytics. The industry that it focuses in on is e-commerce, sales intelligence, digital marketing, and traffic intelligence. It's mostly designed for organizations of various sizes. It can be small, medium, or even enterprises. So when it comes to the free trial and sign up process, yes, it does include a free trial. It's a 7-day free trial. When it comes to the sign up process, there's 4 steps. So basically, you go to SimilarWeb website, you click get started or start your free trial. You enter your business email or sign up with Google or LinkedIn. And then the 4th step, you provide credit card details and trial auto converts to paid. It is also important to note that free trial is limited to only 15 actions a day. So when it comes to the pricing, here we see that the starting point, the Web Intelligence Start plan begins around $199 a month or $1,500 a year according to TechPon. There's another method called or option called the Sales Intelligence, which starts at $129 a month. So slightly cheaper, just doesn't include the things that the starting plan would. It's also important to note that the other products such as App, Shopper, and Shock Intelligence require custom quotes. When it comes to the installation process, there are 6 steps. So 1, you register for account, free trial through the website. 2, you log into the dashboard via browser, and then you install browser extension for quick checks. 4, you can finally choose a website to analyze. For the 5th step, you set up dashboards or custom reports. And then finally, you connect your API, export data, or integrate with tools for advanced users. Here's your example of the dashboard and how it would look like. So here is your options, your tabs, and then here's your dashboard with many different metrics that you can use. So traffic share, you can organize it by country, stuff like that. Next we have its clickstream analysis metrics. So the metrics that you can use in SimilarWeb are visits or total visits to a domain, pages per visit, so how many pages a user views on average, average visit duration, how long the user stays, traffic sources such as maybe you'd want to see the differences between desktop and mobile. Search and social is also included in the traffic sources. It also allows you to analyze the bounce rate, so basically the percentage leaving quickly from that website. All these metrics are valuable as they help understand engagement and user behavior beyond simple visit counts. An example of a metric using SimilarWeb is, in this case, traffic and engagement. Here we see monthly visits, unique visitors, visit duration, pages per visit, the things I explained at the top. Here it is. Now, when it comes to real-time reporting, yes, they do offer real-time reporting with their performance metrics. module that offers traffic and engagement data. The real-time insights are used with Data Hub / custom reporting product mentions. These mentions real-time insights that monitor shifts in traffic and in keywords. Example of these metrics that can be used are visits over time, according to hour/day, engagement trends, channel changes, and even search keyword shifts. Here we see in the screenshot the channels overview. So direct, email, referral, social, organic search, paid search. It tells you the differences, between each domains and the difference between desktop and mobile. So when it comes to report segmentation capabilities, yes, SimilarWeb does support segmentation of reports. It can segment by country or region. It can select traffic source channels such as organic search, paid search, or social. It can also compare competitor domains side by side in dashboards with up to 4 domains. And the dashboards can also be customized to create templates and add metrics. These segmentation capabilities allow marketing teams, business students, and analysts to separate data into channel, competitor, region, time frame, and audience. So here we see in the screenshot, it's based on geography. So we have the different countries, such as United States, United Kingdom, Australia, India, Japan, onward. A lot of countries that you can use to analyze. When it comes to the dashboard features, the key features we see here is that there's pre-built templates, for example, segment analysis or competitive analysis. There's custom dashboard creation, so you can choose metrics, set filters, or even define competitor set. You can also share features. So share your dashboard with your team and export to PDF. There's also alerts and scheduled reports. You can set up notifications if metrics change for any reason. So here, screenshot. Here's how you add a metric. So age distribution, average visit duration, onward, a lot of different metrics. And then you can even choose different dashboard templates. So you can create one. You can choose website segment analysis, website segment comparison analysis, a lot of other templates here that you can see. So when it comes to unique features, SimilarWeb has is you can have a broad data set. So there are millions of websites and apps, large behavior data panel, and public data extraction. It also has competitor intelligence. There's an ability to benchmark competitor traffic, referrals, and has an audience overlap. Also has the ability to integrate app intelligence and web intelligence, which is very unique. It also has API access for large organizations. There's an ability to integrate data into the dashboards and BI tools. When it comes to the usability, it is very user-friendly and very intuitive, as there are dashboards and drag and drop metrics that can be used. When it comes to accessibility, it is browser-based with no heavy install and offers a browser extension, so very computer-friendly, as we can see here, because of the offering of a browser extension. It's also for students and business users, as the interface allows students and business users to get competitive overview. However, there are some problems with usability, as some advanced features may require training. For smaller website data, the interface could have less depth. When it comes to the advantages, has comprehensive data coverage, so basically a large data set for web and mobile, many countries and industries. Segmentation and custom dashboards it has, as it can be filtered by channel or geography. Here we see it also has real-time insights. It helps react. Helps react quickly to constant changes in the market. And also, you can integrate app intelligence and web intelligence. This is very useful for business with a presence of multiple channels. Now, of course, with any web analytic tool, there will be drawbacks. So the pricing is fairly high. The starting price for this can suit more smaller business, but advanced features plans can be very expensive for business that would want to use more advanced plans. Data accuracy can be limited and can also have limited features. Estimates may be less reliable for sites that are niche. Real time isn't fully live, so although it is accurate, there can be practical latency applies. And some users may require updates that are faster. Here, according to the screenshot, we see the limitations it can have. So limited SEO and keyword research features are limited, along with limited traffic source. There's no granular audience demographics, and there's limited keyword and backlink databases. So when it comes to search engine optimization, SimilarWeb can be used for SEO analysis. It can be used for traffic sources, organic versus paid search breakdown, competitive keyword analysis, and top keywords. So for what it can be used? It can be used to identify where a competitor's organic search traffic comes from, track keyword rankings and measure shift over time. Can also use clickstream data to infer user behavior on search results pages. Here on the screenshot, we can see the different websites being used and how it is being compared with the keywords. So Booking, Expedia, Booking.com, hotels, TripAdvisor. Here we see like the different traffic shares that's being used and the percentages of those keywords being used. And then finally, here's my references for the presentation. So I used the link for SimilarWeb and also a third-party website that tracks the pricing of SimilarWeb called TechPon. And yeah, thank you for listening to my presentation. And that's all. Thank you.